Hey guys, today I'm doing my second little fire alarm collection video. So I'm just going over the devices, and afterwards we'll test them and demonstrate them. So right here we got a fake BG12L. This can be different brands, so I'm not going to put the model number in it. It can be different brands, same as these, but yeah. Right here we got a notifier NBG12, not NBG12, it's a notifier NOT12LX. I'll put that model number on the screen. And right here we got an RSG T-bar. I think the model number is like RMS1P. I'll put it on the screen. And then right here we got another fake BG12 thing. Again, no name, so I'm not putting, I don't know, the model number. Right here we got we got two sirens and one strobe. But we got three like off-brand, no name brand like alarms here. And then right here we got another no name brand thing. Could be used or anything. Right here we got a system sensor. Forgot the model number. Yeah, system sensor SRK. So yeah, it's a strobe. SRK strobe. Right here we got again, no name brand bell. Right here, now this might be like a no name brand, but on one of my videos someone commented this was an STI siren, so I guess it's an STI siren thing. So, and right here we got just a normal siren horn siren. And down here we got all wheel lock devices. We got burnt wheel lock AS, RSS. So yeah, so last year I uploaded a video about like showing and demonstrating my fire alarms, and it had over it got around 41,000 views. That was one of the first like most viewed videos, and then until the event one caught up. But yeah, so it's crazy how I only had 6 devices at a time, and all this is 16 devices. So I had 10 more devices just from the video I uploaded that one time. So I can't believe I've gone a long way. So there are a few broken devices, and those are this thing, and the wheel lock one of the wheel lock RSS's, which is this one right here. Well, so these two are non-functional at all. This one, however, the strobe will flash. It's just a siren won't do anything, but the strobe will flash. So I'll put a clip of that in the video. So yeah, but these two, I didn't make a video for these because just whenever I plug it in, I wired it up right. It would not work at all. And I think the reason why is that these three were connected to my Solinite SK5208. And I think that puts too much power out for the alarms, well, some type of alarms, and it just cuts things up. So this is a DC 12 volt. I don't know that one. But yeah, this was, this was working fine, but I guess it just broke. So there's some certain type, I think the only compatible alarms for my Solinite system is that, and those. That's like the only ones I could think of. I'm afraid to put this one on my system because I don't want it to break. But yeah, guys, so that's all the collection. Now let's go over to the demonstrations.